Good day, everyone. This is Emmanuel Cunanan,
And this is Julito Limindo.
and we are today's weather forecaster. Welcome to our presentation on the Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITCZ.
And its impact on the weather and climate of the Philippines.
Partner, as you all know, Pag-asa has indication which cause floods and landslides due to heavy rains brought by Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITCZ.
Yes, partner. For the entire report, let us hear Winred Prado to discuss what is Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITCZ, all about. Yes, Win?
Thanks, Julito. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITCZ, is the region that circles off the Earth near the equator, where the trade winds, northern and southern hemispheres come together. The intense sun, warm water of the equator hits the air in the ITCZ, raising its humidity and making it buoyant. Aided by the convergence zone of the trade winds, the buoyant air rises, and as the air rises, it expands and cools, releasing it, accumulating moisture in almost perpetual series of thunderstorms. Back to you, Jolito.
Thank you, Winalin. Indeed, the ITCZ is a belt of low-pressure area that circles the Earth near the equator, where trade winds from the northern and southern hemisphere converge. In the Philippines, it plays a crucial role in countries' weather patterns.
From June to November, the ITCZ, or Intertropical Convergence Zone, really influences weather condition in the Philippines by bringing heavy rainfall. Let us hear one of the people who are affected during the wet season or heavy rainfall that affected on their lives. Win, are you there?
Yes, Eman, I am here in Mati City. And now, let us hear one of the people who are affected during the wet season or heavy rainfall that affected their lives. Can you share with us how this wet season or ITCZ affect your lives?
Yes, of course. So, as you can see, this rainy season is essential for agriculture, replenishing reservoir, and sustaining ecosystem. So, understanding and predicting the behavior of the ITCZ is essential for mitigating its impact on communities and ensuring the sustainable development in tropical regions. However, it is also possessed the risks such as flooding and landslide, particularly in vulnerable areas.
Okay, thank you, Angelo. So, that is the effect of ITCZ on their lives. Back to you, Eman.
Thank you for that, Winalin.
With that, partner, conversely, during the dry season, which usually spans from December to May, the ITCZ moves away from the Philippines, resulting in reduced rainfall and dry condition. Let's also hear how this dry season affects on one of the people, especially on their lives. Win, are you there?
Yes, Julito, I am here. And now, I am in Cabanatuan City. As you can observe, this place experiences dry season. And now, let us interview one of the people here. Hello, ma'am. Can I ask, what is your name?
Ako di ay sa April Rose Pulvera, isa ka magsasaka diri sa Cabanatuan City.
Na ako'y pangutana tungod kini sa init na kalamidad nato. Unsa man ang epekto aning init nga wala nay pag-ulan sa inyong adlaw-adlaw nga panginabuhi?
Ang sobra nga init ug ang kakulangan sa ulan, dako kaayo nga epekto sa among pang-adlaw-adlaw nga kinabuhi. Sa aspeto sa among panglawas, ang sobra nga init makahatag og mga problema sama sa dehydration ug mga sakit nga naay kalabutan sa init sama sa heat stroke ug heat exhaustion. Kini mahimo usab nga makaapekto sa atong kahimtang sa paguma, diin ang sobra nga init ug kakulangan sa ulan makahatag og negatibo nga epekto sa among ani ug kalidad sa produkto. Ug sa kinaiyahan makahatag sab kini og dako nga epekto sa atong mga tanom, mga mananap, ug sa atong mga lawas ug suba. Apan ang epekto sa init nga panahon ug kakulangan sa ulan mahimong lahi-lahi depende sa inyong lokasyon, sa among lokasyon, lifestyle ug uban pang mga sari.
Okay, daghang salamat ma'am. Ug mauto siya ang epekto sa ilang panginabuhi tungod sa ITCZ. Back to you, Julito.
Thank you, Winali.
Moreover, climate change may influence the behavior of ITCZ or Intertropical Convergence Zone, leading to shifts, rainfall patterns, and weather extremes in the Philippines. Understanding this dynamic is crucial for us in adapting and mitigating the impacts of climate variability and change in country. Let us also hear two experts of weather, which is our meteorologist Joylyn Bintayao and Arnalyn Ongkay, to share their knowledge about the impact of Intertropical Convergence Zone or weather and climate change. Okay, let us call our meteorologist Joylyn Bintayao and Arnalyn Ongkay.
The impact of ITCZ on weather are rainfall in equatorial region because the variation of occasion causes wet and dry seasons in the tropics, while it's bring cold and warm seasons on the higher latitude. It carries maritime tropical winds over the land as it moves north with thermal equator. Consequently, it brings wet weather, and intertropical convergence zone can cause severe drought or flooding by areas changes for longer term.
So I have additional information about that. It can also cause hazards in the sky above. For instance, aircraft flying through an ITCZ would probably encounter some or all the hazards associated with heavy clouds, such as icing, turbulence, lightning, and wind shear. However, it is in this zone, the most severe effects may often be encountered and mostly, as mentioned, majority occurring over land.
Yes, that's right. That is why I can say that there is some significance that ITCZ has. ITCZ where northeast and southeast trade winds convergence. This movement determine the spatial distribution of rainfall. Moreover, tropical cyclone formation is triggered by ITCZ to initiate its convection. Meteorologists can predict tropical cyclone, but of course, considering other aspects.
As a final point, ITCZ has severe effects to human and land, but it also has beneficial impacts to them. Humanity adapt to the effects of ITCZ. With the interference of climate change, it becomes more challenging human race to survive.
Thank you, meteorologist Arnalyn and Joylyn, for sharing and imparting your knowledge about the impact of weather and climate on ITCZ.
Thank you also for our reporter Winalyn Ciprado, Win, and for those people who are sharing their experience about dry and wet season. Again, I am Emmanuel Cunanan,
And I am Julito Bilimindo.
and we are today's weather forecaster. Thank you and mabuhay!